Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with yet another non-phone work-from-home job lead for you. I'm trying to find a little bit of something for everyone. I feel like I've been sharing a lot of customer service jobs lately, so I am on it with the data entry non-phone work-from-home job leads. But I do have some healthcare videos coming up, so if you're not already subscribed, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, have that notification bell turned on so you never miss out. If you do want to apply to any of the jobs that I share, they're always linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, a like button. Also share with all your friends and family because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But to keep this video as short as possible, today's job lead is from the big hotel chain Marriott. Now, they are hiring a data entry clerk for their national group sales department. This is a remote-based position, and then it says located remotely. It is marked yes, so it is completely remote. But they're looking for somebody to basically do some data entry, entering and locating work-related information using the computers and their point of sales software systems. You're going to transmit this information or documents through the computer. You'll read and visually verify information in a variety of formats, so you may have to read like small print on the computer screen, and you'll enter and retrieve information contained in the computer databases. You're going to take these documents and you're going to verify the information in the documents or on the computer screens, including text, printed forms, and a list of accuracy and completeness. Now, as far as what they're looking for, they don't list a whole lot, which is a good thing. They're not requiring much. They do want somebody who can follow company policies and procedures. Someone who will maintain confidentiality with the information that they have. You may have access to the customer's names, addresses, credit card information, things like that. They want somebody who can prepare and review written documents accurately and completely. It does say you may have to answer telephones from time to time, but this is mainly a non-phone data entry position. Now, it mentions not only data entry, but also reviewing written documents like daily logs, business letters, memos, reports, and you may have to proofread and edit those from time to time. So they're looking for somebody who has computer skills, who can be detail-oriented, and be a positive team player. They are not requiring any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. And of course, pay for this position is going to be dependent on location and experience. The pay is anywhere from $18 an hour all the way up to $25.20 an hour. They also offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, life, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind when I am out here searching for job leads to share. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this job lead, to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.